Hi guys, this is the video of beginner's OLL, that's to Look OLL. So every beginner's OLL starts with the plus cases. In this case, we count small l. In beginner's OLL, you should rotate like this, but it is wrong. In advanced OLL, you should keep like this and rotate the two layers and do the same to get across. There are only 7 cases in beginner's F12, so in this case we can cross and one piece is correctly aligned. If the yellow in your face, you can do this arc. In the second case, the yellow faces in your side, so rotate your cube and do this algorithm. Third case is we have only edge pieces, no corner pieces, so we have highlight and the yellow faces you. Keep this like this and do this algorithm. The fourth step is we have 2 highlights, so keep this in your face and do this algorithm. The fifth step is we have plus and 2 corner pieces. If the yellow is in face, you can do this one. The sixth step is we have plus and 2 corner pieces. If the yellow faces in your side, move this, keep this in your back and do this one. The final step is we have plus and 2 corner pieces, so keep this yellow in your face and do this one. So that's it, all PLL cases